Monday, start of the week. Time to learn and time to seek. Tuesday, let's have some fun. Play and dance under